what's up, it's Jasmine. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a lookbook with rue21. I am so excited. They're sponsoring this video, so it's going to be a lot of fun to create all of these looks, which I got for under $100. Like, honestly, let's just take a moment because it is so hard to find like outfits, plural, for under $100. And all of these pieces are so cute. They look like they could be sold some like outrageously expensive store, but they're affordable, they're cute, they're great quality, and I have so many soft pieces. I don't know what it is about like soft things. I just want to like put my face on it and just like, I don't know. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into it, starting off with the first look. So for this first outfit, I have on this rue21 long-sleeved tie-dye shirt that says plant these and save these. It was a little bit more of a chilly day, so the long sleeve was perfect. And I paired it with these tie-up overalls. They're super lightweight and you can wear them over a bathing suit, or if you didn't bring pants like me, wear them to stay on the warmer side. Luckily for us though, it warmed up throughout the week. This next piece from rue21 is this oversized t-shirt. I got it in a size extra small and probably could have done a size medium. It was a little bit more on the small side, but it was perfect for a beach cover-up, which you can see as I wore it here. We also decided to walk around the town a little bit, and it was perfect just to throw on with some sneakers.
Oh. Here, watch out. I think he's trying to...
Wow. The next place we went was a national park here in St. Augustine, and I wore this super cute, really soft tie-dye bodysuit from rue21. I'm obsessed with it. You can literally wear it in so many different ways. I just paired it with a pair of white shorts so that way it could kind of stick out on its own. I literally wore this thing so many times on our trip. It is a little bit more on the low cut side, so you could wear like a bralette with it if you were a little bit more uncomfortable with that. This next outfit is super casual. I just threw on this white tank top and paired it with these tie-dye shorts. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with tie-dye, everything. And then we ended up seeing this turtle, so of course we had to stop and take some pictures. You guys, it's a little turtle. Could be a snapping turtle, I don't know. But he looks cute. For this next outfit, I have these purple heart-shaped glasses from rue21 and this pink tank top. I love both of these pieces because they're so photogenic, and the tank top you can easily wear in so many different ways. It's such a great basic. You could throw it on with multiple different pairs of shorts, long pants, flowy pants, jeans, you name it. And then I paired it with an oversized denim jacket, which I felt like made it just look a little bit more put together, and of course a pair of sneakers, and we just took some pictures here on this tennis court. Does it look like it?
Yes.
Lastly, we stopped by the lighthouse, and I wore this super feminine bodysuit that you can wear on your shoulders or off your shoulders. It's floral, it's super soft, the same material as the shorts and the bodysuits, so it was really comfortable, easy to throw on, and it's pretty stretchy, and I got it in a size extra small. That is everything that I picked up from rue21. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope you liked the outfits. I had so much fun making this video and so much fun working with rue21. I hope to bring you guys a few more lookbooks with them because this really was a lot of fun to get to see how many outfits you can make under $100. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe. I have all of the items linked down below, so make sure to go and check that out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.